welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be cleaning out my fridge. I usually have a specific day. I do this once a week. Today's the day, and I don't always take the shelves out, but usually what I do is I just take everything out, and then I also take the shelves out and clean them, put the shelves back, and then throw the bad food away, put the good food back in the fridge. I don't always take the shelves out, but today I am. So that's what I'm doing right here. And I also will put a link in the description to the sweater that I'm wearing. I love it so much. I bought it on Amazon. I have an Amazon affiliate link for it, and they come in so many different colors. They are true to size, and so whatever size you normally wear, these will fit perfectly. So I wear an extra large. I ordered an extra large in the sweater, and I was so happy with how well it fit. So if you're interested, I'll put a link to that in the description. But right here, I'm just drying the shelves to the fridge. It seems like our fridge gets dirty so easily and so quickly. There's 6 of us, and I don't know, it just is hard to keep it clean. But today's the day, so I'm just going through everything and putting it all back. Groceries are coming soon, so I'm trying to get it all done before my groceries get here. But there's not much to say in this video. Hopefully watching me clean my fridge gives you some motivation to get whatever done that you need done today. If you like this video, don't forget to comment and give me a thumbs up. That's how I know you like my videos, and I'll make much more. So I'm just going to play my music in the background, and I hope you enjoy.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like
Sometimes I wonder why I save leftovers because we don't end up eating it. Are you guys the same way? We have a fridge in the garage, so I was putting it in the fridge because it's still good. I don't want to throw it out quite yet. But do you guys eat your leftovers or do you throw it out? Let me know in the comments below. So now I'm just rinsing our grapes. I like to put some water in the bowl and just a little bit of vinegar. And I let the grapes sit for a couple of minutes, then I rinse them a couple of times, and you wouldn't believe the dirt that comes from the grapes. And I'm just eating one right there. They're so good. So now I'm drying them on a paper towel, and then I'll put them in a container so they're easier for my kids to snack on. I also take them off the vine if I feel like I have time, because if they're like this, for some reason it's just easier for the kids to grab what they want and they eat them.
When did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh yeah.
So now I'm cleaning the outside of my fridge, and all I use is usually a microfiber cloth. They were upstairs, so I just grabbed a paper towel, but it's wet with water. I'm just wiping everything down, and then I have a stainless steel cleaner that I like to use. I can't think of the name, but I'll show you in just a minute the stuff that I use. And it's crazy how dirty these handles get. Okay, so here's the cleaner. And you can purchase it pretty much anywhere. It comes with a spray, and there's also wipes if you like the wipes better. Sometimes it's more convenient, but I find that the wipes, I still have to dry them. I have to dry, if I use the wipes on the fridge, I also have to take a microfiber cloth or a paper towel and dry it. But they work really well. Yay, we are finished. If this video offered you any type of motivation, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. That way I know you enjoy watching my videos. Also, if you like this sweater, I have my Amazon affiliate link in the description of this video. So I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.